Find the equation of the hyperbola where the transverse axis is vertical and the vertices, observe that they are also on the vertical axis. And so the equation of this hyperbola has to be of the form y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared equals 1, where a equals 4 already because the vertices, when the hyperbola has the vertical transverse axis, the vertices are 0, 4 and 0, -4 in this case. 0, plus or minus a. A is 4 in this case. What remains to show or to find is b, but we don't have the information of the foci. What we have is an extra point on the graph. If this point is on the graph, then it has to satisfy the equation, but before we use this equation, we should update it. Y squared over 4 squared, not just 4, minus x squared over b squared equals 1. And if this point is on the graph, it satisfies the equation when y equals -5 and x equals 3. We simply replace x with 3 and y with -5. This equation now only has one unknown b. This is 25 over 16 minus 9 over b squared equals 1. We should be able to find b. First, minus 9 over b squared equals 1 minus 25 over 16. And so negative 9 over b squared equals, the common denominator is 16. 16 minus 25. Negative 9 over b squared equals negative 9 over 16. We can simply cross multiply, or it is clear that b squared equals 16, so that b equals plus or minus 4 as well. And so the equation that we are looking for is y squared over 4 squared minus x squared over 4 squared equals 1, or y squared over 16 minus x squared over 16 equals 1.